Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Steam game icons missing. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if your game icon is not showing, imagine this method as the first thing to try. Start by right-clicking the shortcut, then head over to Properties, and then click on Change Icon. After that, click on Browse and select the drive where Steam is installed. In most cases, it's the C drive, so open C drive, then go to Program Files x86. Here, scroll down and click on Steam, then open the Steam folder again. Now go to Games and select the icon for your game. Click Open, then click OK, and press OK once again to apply the changes. If the game icon is not available there, you'll need to verify the game files. Open Steam, head over to your library at the top, find the game, right-click on it, and then go to Properties. From there, go to Installed Files, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process may take a while, so wait for it to finish. Once it's done, close everything and repeat the same icon changing method shown earlier, and the game icon should now appear. If the icon is still not showing, right-click on the game again, then select Properties and click on Change Icon once more. Then go to Browse. This time, navigate to the actual installation folder of the game. For example, if your game is installed on the C drive, go to C drive, then go to Program Files x86, then go to Steam folder. Here, go to Steam Apps, then you have to go to Common folder. Once here, open the Games folder. Look for the application file, select it, click OK, press OK once again to apply the changes, and once that's done, the icon should finally be fixed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Steam game icons missing. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.